Today I have a little fancier rental car than most agencies would give you. This is a 1995 Acura Legend Coupe LS 6-speed. My friend Branson in Salt Lake City here thought it was okay to let me borrow it for a few hours this morning. Gonna head to breakfast and meet up with a couple friends. Wanted to show up in something a little more presentable than a 2017 Nissan Versa. Nothing against the Versa, but this is more my style. Branson's had this car for many years, maybe even 6 or 7, 8. Drives phenomenally, 182,635 on the odometer. Some very light cosmetic upgrades. He added the TL Type S wheels and the factory OEM fog lights. But other than that, it is a car that rides and drives just as it should for being 23 years old anyway. I'm happy that he would trust me with it for a little bit.
Give you a full tour. Yeah.
So we're having a Legend meet, Acura meet rather, at my friend Trevor's house. Hi. How are you? Just doing a little intro video because we got a party forming out here.
Yeah.
Wow.
That takes me back.
Yes.
Yep, 3.2 V6 Type 1.
Oh, you know that.
Mm-hmm.
Needs a little cleaning.
Sean's car is in very good shape here. That by the way is King. He's taking a look at things as well. But Sean's got his car all cleaned up for today. Trevor is also displaying 3 Acuras today. We've got 2 3rd Gen TLs and then an MDX over there. So we'll get a tour of each one here. Of course, I'm driving the 6-speed 95 LS, and it's a good rental car.
Really? The whole engine and transmission out of it.
Is
the exterior original?
Taking a look at Sean's interior.
Yeah.
239,202 miles on this.
There's Adam. He's the owner of the OC.
All right, we're just getting back to Trevor's house. Had a fun little photo shoot at the park up the street, and we are just getting these babies tucked back in the home. We just did breakfast and met up with some Acura geeks, so I'm enjoying a few minutes on the road before I fly back to Phoenix. So, not the kind of scenery I get in the desert very often, but it's kind of pretty up here. This is a quick walk around on Sean's car. Same color code as mine. Love that plate. And have you done anything to the paint and body?
A little bit of body work.
Yeah.
Mostly on the right side.
Uh-huh. Looks good over here.
New wheels. New rear bumper.
She is a clean, how many owner?
Second owner.
Second owner. Not bad. We're gonna get a couple pictures of the Legends here together, and we are at a place called Legends, appropriately. Doesn't that work out nicely?